Now I started the video. This is Tristan. I'm Ryan. It's Ryan. I'm Tristan. Hi.
Dude, you really need to loosen up your wheels and get some speed frame on it.
Wait, what? I know.
Look at that board.
Okay. Ryan, ready?
What did you say?
It's so hard to.
Oh.
Ever since I've been practicing.
Don't go.
I can't even. I can't. Every time I try to ollie, so it's like.
That's just like tour of. This is like Ryan's. This is near Ryan's house over there, but I don't want to give out any personal information. This is just a private road that we ride on. It's really cool, actually. Trying to get views, you know, subscribe to my channel, just saying that in the little video.
VS 180, ready, Ryan?
Yeah.
At least I can ollie stuff though, and I can actually land it.
So close.
Imagine if you hit that.
That's what I hate about
Imagine if you did that and you hit the back, that would have hurt.
I hate it when I try to
I dare you, CJ, keep going! No, he's gonna start. CJ, you're dead!
I can probably catch him.
Guess what? Anyway.
Let's see this skateboard.